SPGC stock analysis and SPGC stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Just watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. So I'm looking at SEX Parente Golf stock down 44%, which is absolutely tragic. Automatic. Now, that generally speaking, I've done 36,000 videos, spent 4 years and 5 figures on courses and mentors to figure out what's working for me and what's not. And in this case, because it was going up here, I was like, right, we have a demand zone, and all it really matters for me is whether we play the highs or the lows first. It broke the lows, to say the least. There was we never got this double break, and the price just was never a long side for me. Since it started breaking down, you know, it just kind of, now I'm kind of nodding my head and I'm like, right, the likelihood that this thing just keeps melting is still huge. And if it doesn't give me a double break here, then what I'm not looking to do is randomly short sell, you know. So what I'll keep doing in the meantime is I'll just keep waiting. And if you want to make more money trading in a simply a very lean way, then you can just click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter.